Good morning, everyone. Today we are discussing our chapter number 4 of Element of Mathematics, class 12th, determinants. In previous chapter, we have discussed about matrices. Now we are discussing about determinant. What is the difference between matrices and determinant? Matrices, A is a matrix of order array A1, A2, B1, B2. It is an ordered array of 4 elements, 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is a matrix. Then determinant is denoted by A is placed between these two lines. It is given by A1, A2, B1, B2. This is a matrix and this is a determinant. The difference, basic difference between these two, determinant is a value, but matrix is an array of an elements. Now determinant of A, how to calculate determinant of a matrix of order 2. So we shall start our exercise number 4.1. तो exercise 4.1 फर्स्ट पार्ट है. वी हैव टू एलिवेट determinant को हम डेल से शो करते हैं. A प्लस आइटा बी, C प्लस आइटा डी, माइनस C प्लस आइटा डी, and it is A minus iota B. How to calculate determinant of matrix of order 2 cross 2? It is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. It is matrix of order 2 cross. Then its determinant is denoted by this sign. Now how to calculate this? This first element is multiplied with this element. This multiply with this. Then A plus iota B into A minus iota B. This element is multiplied with this element minus, and this element is multiplied with this element. This element is multiplied minus C plus iota D is multiplied with C plus iota D. Cross multiplication. This element is multiplied with this element minus this element is multiplied with this. This is the way to calculate determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. We can't calculate determinant of a rectangular matrix. We can possess the determinants only of square matrix. So evaluate this. A plus iota b, A minus iota, it become A square plus B square. After solving, minus, and it become C plus iota d, C minus iota d. It become minus C square minus D square. It become minus C square minus D square. So it whole become A square plus B square plus minus plus C square plus D square. That's it. And this is the value of this determinant, A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Now in this way we can calculate all the parts of part first, sum number first. Now we can evaluate question number 2. Its third part. 2x x plus 3, 2 times x plus 1 and x plus 1. Its determinant value is equal to 1, 5, 3, 3. Now we have two determinants. These are equal. One determinant is this, second determinant is this. So we have to calculate the value of this value of x from here. Now first of all we solve this determinant. So how to solve this? This element is multiplied with this. 2x is multiplied with x plus 1. 2x into x plus 1 minus this element is multiplied with this element. 2 times x plus 1 is multiplied with x plus 3, and this is equal to this determinant value is equal to 3 1s are 3 minus 5 3s are 15. Now evaluate this. 2x square 2x. Now multiply this x with x square, x को 2 से multiply minus 2x square. X multiply with 3x or 3 to the minus 6x. 1 is multiplied with x 1 is x minus 2 से करेंगे तो minus 2x, and 3 is multiplied with 1 3 is 3 to the minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 15 is equal to minus 12. This cancel out, and this 2x is also cancel out, so minus 6x and minus 12, this 6 transpose, after transpose this is minus 6, so x become 1. So this is the value of x. Now here two determinants are equal, so we have to calculate value of x. Now come to our next concept. Find the value of x if this matrix A, question number 3, third part. We have given a matrix A, it is equal to x plus 1 minus 3 4 minus 5 x plus 2 2 4 1 x minus 6. So here determinant of E is given, value of matrix A is given. So find the value of x so that this matrix is singular. What are singular matrix? If determinant of any matrix becomes 0, then this matrix become singular. If determinant of A becomes 0, then A is called, then matrix A is called matrix A is called singular. We can calculate it, called it singular. Now we have to calculate x for this matrix A. Now since A is singular, so determinant of A become, in determinant of A, x plus 1 minus 3 4 minus 5 x plus 2 2 4 1 x minus 6. This become 0. Now how to evaluate determinant of order, determinant of matrix of order 3 cross 3. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Its order is, so how we calculate determinants of matrix of order 3 cross 3? So what is the way? Now we can calculate determinant of a matrix by expanding by any row by any column. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. We can evaluate determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3 by expanding one row or any one of the column. So the main way we can expand this determinant by first row. How to expand this? About this first row. So first element, what is here? X plus 1 into determinant. We can left this row column and this row. We have to evaluate this determinant value expanding by first row. So leave this row and this column. So what is left behind? X plus 2 2 1 x minus 6. x प्लस 1 इंटू में इस रो को, कॉलम को छोड़ दीजिए, इस रो को छोड़ दीजिए, उसके बाद यहाँ क्या बचेगा? x प्लस 2 2 1 इसका डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू. नाउ आफ्टर दैट when we take second element, so we can put negative sign here. So minus 3. Now when we put minus 3 here, इस कॉलम को छोड़ दीजिए, इस रो को छोड़ दीजिए, तो क्या रहेगा? minus 5 to 4 x minus 6. Now first element is x plus 1. X plus 1 into, after leaving this row and this column, this there is a determinant x plus 2 2 1 x minus 6 minus when we place second element here, so we put negative sign here, minus 3, leaving this column and this row, minus 5 to 4 x minus 6. Now after last element is our 4, so 4, it is positive 4 plus 4 into, leaving this column and this row, we have minus 5 x plus 2 4 1, and this become 0. Why? Because it is a singular matrix, so its determinant is 0. Now evaluate this x plus 1. Now evaluate determinant of order second. x plus 2 को मल्टीप्लाई हुआ x minus 6 से, और 2 1 जा 2, minus plus 3. Now evaluate this determinant also. minus 5 को मल्टीप्लाई हुआ इससे, minus 5x plus 30, 4 2 जा 8, plus 4, minus 5 1 जा minus 5, minus 4 times x plus 2, and this become 0. Now evaluate this x plus 1, x into x, x square, it is minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x, or it is minus 12 minus 2 plus 3 times minus 5x, or 30 minus 8 is equal to 22, 4 times minus 5 minus 4x और प्लस का माइनस 8, it become 0. तो x plus 1 x square minus 4x minus 14, 15x, 3 5s are 15x, 22 is 66, and 4 5 it is minus 4 4s are minus 16x, or it is minus 8 or minus 5 minus 13, 13 4s are 52, so it is minus 52 become 0. So x multiply with x, x cube, x is multiply with 4x square, x multiply by minus 14x plus x square minus 4x minus 14, multiply x plus 1 this, minus 15 minus it is 31x, 66 minus 52 is equal to plus 14 is equal to 0. 14 is cancel out, x cube and minus 4x square plus x minus 3x square, 14 and 4 18, 18 or 31 it is minus 49x become 0. Now taking x common, it become x square minus 3x minus 49 is equal to 0. Now x, either x is equal to 0 or x square minus 3x minus 49 is equal to 0. Now we can calculate x from here. So x, using quadratic formula we can calculate a value of x here is equal to 3 plus minus 205 upon में 9 using quadratic formula. You can calculate value of x here using quadratic formula because इसका factorization नहीं होगा, x क्या है, so these are the two values. So this is our question number 3. That's it for all today. Thank you.